Hello kids, color name, black color, red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, brown color. Let's go to write ABCD. Red color, A for apple, A for apple. Green color, B for ball, B for ball. Yellow color, C for cat, C for cat. Brown color, D for dog, D for dog. Blue color, E for elephant, E for elephant. Black color, F for fish, F for fish. Yellow color, G for grapes, G for grapes. Green color, H for horse, H for horse, H for horse. Red color, I for ink, I for ink. Blue color, J for jackal, J for jackal. Yellow color, K for kite, K for kite. Black color, L for lion, L for lion. Red color, M for monkey, M for monkey. Green color, N for nest, N for nest, N for nest. Yellow color, O for owl, O for owl. Black color, P for parrot, P for parrot. Red color, Q for queen, Q for queen. Black color, R for rose, R for rose. Green color, S for sunflower, S for sunflower. Yellow color, T for tiger, T for tiger. Blue color, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Red color, V for violin, V for violin. Green color, W for watermelon, W for watermelon. Black color, X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Blue color, Y for yak. Red color, Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Red color, 1. Blue color, 2. Green color, 3. Yellow color, 4. Brown color, 5. Yellow color, 6. Green color, 7. Blue color, 8. Brown color, 9. Red color, 1, 0, 10. Brown color. 11. 1. 1. 11. Red color. 12. 1. 2. 12. Yellow color. 13. 1. 3. 13. 13. Blue color. 14. 1. 4. 14. 14. Green color. 15. 1. 5. 15. 15. Yellow color. 16. 16. 1. 6. 16. Red color. 17. 1. 7. 17. Blue color. 18. 1. 8. 18. 18. Yellow color. 19. 1. 9. 19. Green color. 2. 0. 20. So kids, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Tata!